Let's check back in with Courtney. And if you watched last night, she said it was going to be warmer today.
With a little less wind, yes.
You were absolutely right.
Exactly. I'm getting a little bit good at this, Phil. All right, well, between our coastal and inland areas today, we did have a bit of a spread of highs. We didn't see any 90s, but some areas got pretty darn close. Boulder Creek, actually the hot spot today at 87. Gilroy and Morgan Hill, both of you got up to lower 80s, 81 to be exact. We saw upper 70s, 78 in Big Sur today. Low 70s here in Salinas, but it did feel a little bit more comfortable with some sun, a little bit less wind. Monterey got up into those upper 60s, and Pacific Grove, once again the cool spot at 57. So your temperature actually didn't really change much. But as we head into the rest of this week, here's what the weather pattern looks like. Tomorrow is expected to be the warmest day of the week, so noticeable warm up there. But notice we do have this cold front off to the west, and as this approaches, that's going to effectively cool our temperatures down Thursday and Friday. You'll definitely notice that as this low pressure sort of takes the reins on our temperatures. But then watch this here. We have some moisture coming in. A system is approaching the Pacific Northwest, and actually this weekend there is a slight chance that the San Francisco Bay Area could see a tiny bit of drizzle out of that, nothing more than a trace. And us here on the Central Coast, we're not going to get any moisture, but we are going to feel the impacts of that system in the form of some clouds. Things are going to get pretty overcast this weekend, so if you're making those weekend plans, just be aware that there's not going to be as much sunshine as we've had the past couple of days. Other than that, in terms of your temperatures by Saturday, we're really in the realm of this zonal flow, which essentially just means that things are not going to change much. Very little fluctuation in those temperatures, just some more clouds. Speaking of clouds, taking you into Futurecast now, those marine layer clouds do return tonight, especially around the peninsula, kind of giving that area a hug with those clouds. And we'll see those kind of thicken up towards the hour of sunrise around 7 a.m. We're now seeing those low clouds in the Prunedale, Salinas area. Slight chance you could see a little bit of minor fog on Highway 1 during your commute. But as we head into the afternoon, little to no wind. So light winds tomorrow. We'll see warmer temperatures, sunny skies. The only spot that's going to see a little bit of cloud cover in the afternoon is the peninsula. Those clouds just don't want to leave you guys alone. And as we head into tomorrow night, we'll see a similar cloud pattern. But let's talk about those temperatures tomorrow, as it is expected to be the warmest day of the week. We'll see some mid-80s in Santa Cruz. Similar temperatures for Capitola and Soquel. 90 for Scotts Valley. We'll see 91 in Boulder Creek. That won't be the hot spot tomorrow, but it will be pretty warm nonetheless. Upper 80s for Felton, upper 70s, Bonnie Doon, and some low 70s. Pretty comfortable out in Davenport. Here in Salinas, sunny and 75. We'll hit 84 for Hollister, 80 in San Juan Bautista, mid to upper 80s for Santa Clara County, so places like Morgan Hill, Gilroy, 83 in Watsonville, but Castroville still in the upper 70s, not quite as warm there. Marina, you'll be hitting 70. We'll see 70 degrees as the high for Seaside, 74 for both Monterey and Carmel by the Sea, and then out to the very tippy top of the peninsula, we'll only see upper 60s for Pacific Grove and Pebble Beach, so not quite as warm there, but it should feel a little bit warmer than today. Bradley, 95 tomorrow. That is expected to be the hot spot. We'll see lower 90s for Parkfield, King City, and the San Antonio Valley, with some low 80s for Greenfield and Soledad. Upper 80s, though, in the Pinnacles, very hot up at the National Park. 76 for Gonzales, and then 1 degree up for Carmel Valley, and another degree up, 78 your high in Big Sur tomorrow. And as I said, as we get a little bit closer to the weekend, we're going to see more clouds, temperatures a little bit cooler, and then by Saturday into Sunday, they don't change all that much, and we'll see overnight lows in the lower 50s, so some summer-like lows. Inland, you'll definitely notice a warm-up tomorrow, 90 degrees, the average high, with a whole lot of sun. And then those winds, they do come back Thursday into Friday, and they'll bring with them some clouds, Phil.